Hi! Today we're going to learn about division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers with remainder. But before that, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you! We have here an example. 7,957 divided by 7. So we have here a 4-digit dividend and a 1-digit divisor. So how are we going to divide this number? So always remember that if you are going to divide numbers, always start from the digit that has the greatest place value. And the digit here that has the greatest place value is 7. So step number 1, you're going to divide. Divide 7 by 7. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. You're going to write 1 above 7. Okay? So step number 2, you're going to multiply. What are you going to multiply? Multiply 1 and 7. Are you going to multiply the first quotient by our divisor? So 1 times 7 is equal to 7. We're going to put that under 7. So let's proceed to step number 3, which is subtraction. Subtract 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So you do not need to write 0 here. But we have still remaining digit here. What will be the next step that we're going to do? Bring down the next digit. Our next digit here is 9. So you're going to bring it down. Always remember that you're going to write all the numbers in column. So 9 here will be your next partial dividend. You're going to bring down one digit at a time. So we're going to repeat the process until the last partial dividends. So we will start again from step number 1. You're going to divide. Divide 9 by 7. How many 7 can we get out of 9? Or how many groups of 7 can we get out of 9? 9 divided by 7 is equal to 1. We're going to put that above 9. So let's proceed to step number 2. We're going to multiply. Multiply 1 and 7. So 1 times 7 is equal to 7. We're going to put that below 9. Let's proceed to step number 3. We're going to subtract. Subtract 9 and minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. But we have still remaining digit here. 5 and 7. What will be our next step? Yes, you're going to bring down. What digit are we going to bring down? Remember always that we're going to bring down one digit at a time. So the next digit that we're going to bring down is 5. We're going to write that beside 2. Okay? So this will be our next partial dividend. So we will repeat the process again. We will repeat from step number 1. We're going to divide 25 by 7. Okay? So how many groups of 7 are there in 25? Or 25 divided by 7 is equal to 3. We're going to write that above 5. Okay? Next step will be multiply. Multiply 3 times 7. So the answer here is equal to 21. So we're going to write the product below 25. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So the next step is subtraction. You're going to subtract 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. You do not need to write 0 before the number. And we have still here remaining number. Let's proceed to step number 4. What are we going to do with our last digit? Yes, we're going to bring down. Bring down 7 and write that beside 4. So this will be our last partial dividend. So we're going to repeat again the process. 47 divided by 7. This will be our first step. 47 divided by 7, or how many groups of 7 are there in 47? So that is 6. Then, what will be our next step? You're going to multiply. Multiply 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 is equal to 42. you're going to write your product below 47. Okay, so step number 3, you're going to subtract. Subtract 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. No need again to write 0 before 5. So since that we do not have any remaining digit here in our dividend, this will be our complete solution. So 5 here is our remainder. We're going to write this number 5 beside our quotient, which is 1,136. 5 here is our remainder. Our complete quotient is 1,136, and we have our remainder, which is 5. Did you understand our lesson today? So if you find it difficult, you can start with you can watch again our video. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.